Now we are discussing the what is the problem solving in artificial intelligence. Is the problem solving in artificial intelligence. Here the in computer science engineering, artificial intelligence problem solving refers to the techniques, refers to the AI techniques. That means is including the various techniques such as a farm efficient algorithms, such as a farming efficient algorithms, heuristic, and perform the root cause analysis to find the desirable solutions. In including the various techniques such as a farming efficient algorithms, heuristic, and perform the root cause analysis to find the desirable solutions. Problem solving in here. We want to automatically solve the problem. We want to automatically solve the problem. And next one, what are the we need? What are the we need? Here the representation of the problem, and also using the algorithm, use some strategies to solve the problem defined in that representations. What we need in the artificial intelligence problem solving, representation of the problem, algorithm that use the some strategy to solve the problem defined in the representations. Defined in the representations. And now problem representation. How to representation the problem in artificial intelligence? Generally, you think that the state space. Generally, when the state space. State based a problem is divided into a set of resolution steps. Steps of resolution steps from the initial state to the goal state. Initial state nothing but is a starting point. Goal state is a last point. That is a goal state. And next one, reduction subproblem. How to reduction to subproblem? A problem is arranged into the hierarchy. A problem is arranged into a hierarchy of the subproblem. What is specific mention is a game resolution, constraint satisfaction is a main important. Game resolution and constraint satisfaction is a main important here. Next one, state. Next one is the state. A problem is defined by its elements under relation state. That means a problem is defined by its elements and the relation. In each instant of the resolution of problem, those elements have a specific descriptors. Those elements have a specific descriptor. That means is the to select them. That means is the to select them under relations. That is the state. Define the state. A state is the representation of those elements in a given moment. In a given moment. That means is here the two special states are defined. Here the two special states are defined. Initial state, that means is the starting point, final state, goal state. That is the goal state. And next one, state modification successor function. State modification successor function. A successor function is needed to move between the different state. How to define the, how to say that is a successor function or not? A successor function is needed to move between the different state. So here a successor function is a description of the possible action. A successor function is a description of the possible action, a set of operators. It is a transformation of function on a state representation which convert into the another state. That means is that it is a transformation of function on a state And a state representation, that means which convert into the another state. That is like, for example, take the communication, exchange of information between the state. The successor function define the relation of the accessibility among the state. The successor function define a relation accessibility of the among the class. Representation of the successor function here the condition of the applicability. Here the condition of the applicability and the transformation function, that is the relation of the successor function. That means is the relation of the successor function depending on the condition of the applicability and the transformation of the function. State. Next, a state space is a set of all state reachable from the initial state. Now, the state space is the set of all the state reachable from the initial state. Next, in a form of a graph, that means that define the map. That means define the map in which the needs are state across between the nodes or actions. In the form graph, which nodes are state across between the nodes or actions. Next, a path in the state space is a sequence of state connected by the sequence of action. Here a path in the states, a path in the state space is a sequence of states connected by the sequence of the action. That is a path connection. The solution of the problem is a part of the map formed by the state space. The solution of the problem is a part of the map formed by the state space. Problem solution. Here the problem solution. A solution in the state space. A solution in the state space is a path from the initial state to the goal state. How to define solution here now? A solution in the state space is a path from the initial state to the goal state. Something just a goal state or something sometimes just a goal state. Path or solution cost. How to find the path solution cost? Function that assign a numeric cost. Function that assign a numeric cost to each path. The cost of applying to operator to the state. Function that assign a numeric cost to each path. The cost of applying operator of to the state. Solution quality is measured by the path cost function, and an optional solution has the lowest path cost among the solution, all the solution. Here the path cost, that means the function that is assign a numeric cost, function assign a numeric cost to each path, the cost of applying the operator to the state. Solution to the quality is measured the path, is measured by the path cost function, and the optimal solution has the lowest path cost among the all the solution. Solution, that means any and optimal and one and all. Cost is important depending on the problem. Cost is a very, very important depending on the problem and the type of the solution. And the type of the solutions are. Next one, problem description. What are the problem description? Here the AI components, state space, that means explicitly or implicitly defined. State space are defined, explicitly or implicitly defined. Next one, initial state, goal state are the condition it has the full available action operator to change the state. Resection, example the cost, elements of the domain which are the relevant to the problem, example of the incomplete knowledge of the starting point. Here the problem description is the first we take the components, state space, that means a state space complex or implicitly defined, initial state or goal state, availability of the actions, what are the restrictions, elements of the domain which are relevant, to the which are relevant to the problem. That means the example will be the incomplete knowledge of the starting point. What are the types of the solution? Here the sequence of the operator or goal state, any optimal or one, that means the cost defined needed to R. That is a type solution. That means the sequence of the operators or goal state. Sequence of the operator or goal state. Any optimal one cost defined is the, here the cost is defined is the needed to all. Next one. Example taking the 8 puzzle problem. Here the goal state here them. So first one starting to the or first visiting the all the nodes. First 1, 2, 3, 4. Visiting all the nodes up to the goal state, interaction state, transfer of the information between the states. Take the 8 puzzle problem. Now briefly discussing the 8 puzzle problem. States configuration of the 8 tiles on the board. Here the 8 tiles on the board. Next one. Initial state, any configuration. Initial state is any configuration. Goal state is a tiles and specific order. Operator action, blank moves. Condition moves within the board. Transformation from the blank move left, right, up or down. This is the transformation. Transformation blank moves the left, right, up, down. This is the transformation of the process in the state, between the states. Solution, optimal sequence of the problem. Solution, how to define the solution? Here the optimal sequence of the operators. Next one, data structure. The optimal solution algorithm is a different stage categories here. Here the different data structure. Here the example of 8 puzzle problem. Now here the optimal search algorithm is based on the following factors. Completeness, here the is a strategy guaranteed to find the solution where there is one. Time complexity, how long does it take the find solution? Time complexity important. Completeness is with. Space complexity here important. How much memory does it needed to perform the search? Optimal, does the strategy find the highest quality solution? When there are several different solutions, here the completeness, time complexity, space complexity, optimality is a optimal search algorithm based on the this factor, based on the complexity factor, completeness factor, time complexity factor, space complexity factor, optimal factors. Next one. What is the next different search strategy here? The breadth for search, uniform cost, depth for search, depth for limited search, iterative depending search, bidirectional searching process. This is a different search strategy in the artificial intelligence system. Breadth for search process, uniform cost search process, depth for search, depth limited search, iterative depending on search, bidirectional process. Next, what is the breadth for search? Is the one simple strategy is the breadth for search is the one simple state strategy is the breadth for search. In this state strategy, the root node is expanded first. First one is the root node is expanded. Then all the nodes generated by the root node. First one, you expand the root node. Then next one, all the nodes generated by the root node expanded the next, and there are successor nodes, and so on. Next one. Now we are discussing uniform cost stage. Uniform cost stage. In uniform exam, taking the uniform cost structure example, here the uniform cost structure consider the below the is some way then you need to reach any one of the destination point. Here the G1, G2, G3 is the starting from the node S. Here the node A, B, C, D, E, and F. They are the intermediate nodes. So A, B, C, D are the and F intermediate nodes. Our motive to find the path from S to any of the destination state with the least cumulative the cost. Here the small in the graphical representation. This is a uniform cost search problem. This is a graph. So this is the root node. From the first one, root node expanded. Next one go to the left side. Is the here the A. Next one go to the right side. Next one go to the next one. Next one is the expanded all the node from the root node. Then all the other nodes. What is the here the level 1? S is the level 1, here the level 2, here the level 2, here the level 1, AB, and level CD the level 3, level 2, and E, F, G is the level 3, and G is the node. So that is a path cost. Find out the S to A to D, A to D. This is the path uniform cost search process. Uniform cost stretching process. This is a cost calculating the process in uniform cost stretching process. Next, what is the uniform cost stretching process? Next, what is the depth first search here? Depth first search is always expanded on the node of the node that deepest lowest leaf tree. And next, only the search added in the only it is the next vertex. Is it ready to process? It's a breadth first search. A BF algorithm it travels the graph in the breadth first quad motion and uses a queue to the remember to the guest next vertex of the start each when they needed the iteration process. It's for the iteration process. The next one. Here the depth first search algorithm is starting the same process. The find the shortest path. Here the visiting all the nodes. First one starting S to the 8A left side. First visit the left side of the nodes. Next one visiting the left side of the nodes S to A to D, A to G. And next one is next again to process. Next one start to the B to the E. And next right side go to the right side. S to C, S to F. This is the visiting all the nodes in the left and right side traveling process. And next one, depth first search DFS algorithm for traversing the search tree graph or graph structures. The algorithm start at the root node, select some arbitrary node as the root node in the root cases graph and explore the as far the possible along each branch before backtracking. So the depth first DFS is an algorithm for traversing searching tree graph data structure. The algorithm start at the root node and explore as far as possible along each branch before the backtracking. Here the graph algorithm. So first one is the same. Go to the left side S to A and A to D, A to D C, and next one is the B to. Then go to the B to backtracking here the G to E, E to the D. Next one go to the next one is the G to the E of the backtracking process. Next, bidirectional searching process is the algorithm. Bidirectional search graph is the algorithm. You need that two graphs of BFS take place at the same time and used to find shortest between A, that means fixed vertex, and the end vertex. This is the bidirectional searching graph search algorithm where two graph travels best for search take place at the same time and used to find the shortest distance between the fixed vertex and the end vertex. It is a faster approach, reduce the time required for traversing graph. It is can be used for the other application as well as a process. Next, this is the bidirectional process here. The root node and 1 to 4, 4 to 8, then go to the 8 to 9. Here the intersection nodes, and next one is the go to the process. This is the goal node. This is the 16 is the goal node. Next bidirectional process here the 16 to 12, 12 to the masters, 9 to the bidirectional process from the root node. Bidirectional searching process here. And next one, example in this architecture, tree bidirectional search algorithm is applied. This algorithm divides one graph or tree to subgraphs. It starts traversing from node 1, followed by direction, start the goal to the 16 background process, backward direction process. This is a bidirectional. So here the search tree bidirectional search algorithm is applied. This algorithm divides one graph or a tree into the subgraph. It starts traversing from node 1 to the forward direction and start from goal node to the 16 and next 16 to the backward direction process. This is a stating tree traversing graph bidirectional searching algorithm searching process. The root node and forward from the root node 1 and 4 and next one 4 to 8, 8 to the 9, 9 to the 10, 10 to the 12 visiting nodes and 16. Next in backtrack next backward process. Go to the intermediate process. This is the backdirectional searching process of the noding process. This is the problem solving of the this is the what is the problem solving artificial intelligence? Problem solving the artificial intelligence process. This is the main problem solving Problem solving, we want to automatically solve the problem. What are the unit information, representation of the problem, algorithms. Next one, problem representation, how to representation problem, generally state space, directions of problem, and specific the game resolution constraint satisfaction. These are state representation. A problem is defined by the state and their relations. Here the two special states are defined, initial state and finally final state. Initial state nothing but is the starting point, and final state is a goal state. Some modification, some state modification, successor functions. A successor function needed to move the between the different state. Moving a different state. This is the problem solving artificial intelligence process.